See, his flames were blue. Try not to touch it to the grill.
I hold on to a steel penny.
Put it in. Yeah, no. Oh. Okay. Just leave it. Let's do the next penny. Oh, baby. Oh, melting plastic. Love it. Maybe the Canadian ones aren't working. The first one was American, right?
Yeah.
Okay, put it on.
Oh shit.
Amazing. That is so cool.
Yep, that's copper brain right there.
Soft. Drop it, drop it, drop it. The heck, man. It won't do it. Take it.
Barbecue a coin. And then shoving it into a cube.
We just have the bending.
Oh, okay. That was a winner. Oh.
So we dropped it.
Okay, we're already melting.
Alright, what do you think? It kind of worked.
Okay, keep it on that side. Go again.
Hey. Alrighty. Finally, finally got it to splat on. Oh, what?
Oh, okay.
Got a light show out of it. That was so cool. What the heck was that?
That was just lighting the plastic on.